Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'll be showing you how you can create group chat posts on Instagram. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we have to do is I'm going to our Instagram direct message right here on the top right corner of our screen. Then we're going to select our group chat that we want to create a poll. And for example, I'm just gonna select this group chat. Just tap on the group chat, and then if you want to create a poll, you can click on this sticker button, and then click on the sticker button again. And since we want to create a poll, we can simply click on poll, and then we can start creating the poll question right here. So for example, I'm going to write this question: your fav color. Okay, and just add your options right here like this. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click on create poll, and the poll will be sent to your Instagram group chat. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a group chat posts at Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.